Hello YouTube, welcome to another LeetCode solving video. Today we are solving question 442. Find all duplicates in an array. Given an integer array nums of length n where all the integers of nums are in the range of 1 to n inclusive and each integer appears once or twice, return an array of all the integers that appears twice. You must write an algorithm that runs in O of n time and uses only constant extra space. So some points in this question is that since each integers are in the range of 1 to n inclusive, that means that these numbers can never be negative. And we could use that to our advantage by flipping numbers into negatives as our metadata. So what do I mean? So first we're going to do a linear pass on the input array. So we're going to do a linear pass, and if in this example, if we come across 4, we will go to the fourth element, which is 7, and we're going to make it negative. So that would be our metadata that we've seen 4 before. So when we come across 4 again and we go back to the fourth element and we see that it's negative, that will tell us that we've seen this before and we can add it to our answer. Hold on, someone's at the door. Where was I? Okay. So we can use negative numbers as metadata to let us know that we've seen that value. So let's write some pseudocode. So we're going to do a linear pass of the input array. For each element, access. For each element, we call v. For each element v, access the v element and make negative. When we see a negative v element, we know add it to answer. So the runtime is O of n. We do only one linear pass, and the space time is O of 1. We don't use any extra memory to solve this. We are operating on the input array, and we're returning a result array, which doesn't count as extra space. So here comes the linear pass. For n nums, if nums, we're going to grab the absolute value of n because n could be negative and then it would be out of range of the index of the array. So we have to grab the absolute value, and then we're going to have to subtract 1 because, for example, if we grab the 8, we can't access the 8th element. We can't access the 8th element because, oh no, we can access the 8th element, but not with the value 8 because that would be out of range. That's why we have to subtract 1. So the 8th element is at index 7. That's why we have to subtract 1. So if that value is negative, then we have to add it to our answer. So we have to add n to our answer because that means we've seen n before, because the nth element is negative. And if it's not negative, then we should make it negative. And then we could just return our answer. Awesome. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.